Hello everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel with another useful and informative video. So guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable vehicle motion cues on your iPhone in iOS 18. So guys, if you want to enable vehicle motion cues on your iPhone in iOS 18, here I will show you how can you do this. So guys, as you can see this, I have turned on vehicle motion cues on my iPhone. So guys, first of all, you have to simply open your settings in your device in order to turn on vehicle motion cues. Now you have to tap on your general section and then tap on software update and make sure that you are using the updated version of software in your device. So guys, if there is any update available for you like this, you have to simply update it, and after this go back, and now you have to open your settings and now tap on accessibility and now scroll it below and tap on motion, and I tap on show vehicle motion cues from here, and from here you can see you can easily turn on or turn off vehicle motion cues on your iPhone. So guys, here you can see this, you can turn off or turn it on, and you can also check this to automatic as well. So guys, in this way you can also turn on a vehicle motion cues on your iPhone in iOS 18. So guys, that's it for today's video. Hope this video helps you. Please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel as well. Thank you.